How to give Robux to friends, send Robux on Roblox, updated way. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. I bring you back with yet another Roblox tutorial. In this Roblox tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can send your friends Robux in the easiest and the most quickest, most efficient and secure way possible. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. It's very simple and very easy. Just follow me throughout till the end of the video and you will properly know how to send your friends Robux. So first of all, what you're going to want to do is obviously go to roblox.com. Now, once this loads up, you can also do this on your mobile phones, but I just recommend you do it on laptop, PC, or your desktop because that's just much more better and efficient because it has a much better interface. So now what you're going to want to do, so first thing that you need to know is there's no proper way of sending your friends Robux. What I'm going to do is just a way that it was found out by the devs. The proper way still needs to come. We're going to do is we're going to need to go to groups. Now, once we're in groups, what we're going to need to do is we need to have a group in which we're the owners. So obviously you're going to create a group and you're just going to name your group anything, just name it anything. Then you're going to give it a description if you want to. You're going to give your group an emblem, just any emblem would do. It doesn't really matter that much. I'm just going to give it this one like randomly. And then I can just set the settings and then I'm just going to pay 100 Robux and that's going to create the group. So once you create the group, what you're going to do is this left hand side taskbar here, it's going to give you options. Now, in those options, what you're going to want to do is, first of all, you're going to sell something on the group. Now, you're going to sell any type of product and then someone's going to buy it in the group. The transactions need to be done in the group. Now, once all of that happens, what happens is that the Robux that have been spent on the item on the transaction that happened within the group, those Robux get added to the revenue in the group. Now, when those Robux get added into the revenue, what happens is that the owner that you're going to be will be able to distribute that revenue however he wants throughout the members of the group. So basically just create a group. It costs 100 Robux. Add your friends in it to whoever you want to give the Robux to. Put up a product, have someone buy the product or buy it yourself. Once you do that, the revenue will be added into the group. Then you can just go to revenue, configure, then you're just going to go on one-time payment and you're just going to spread it out evenly or just give it to one person or whatever amount you like. So yeah, that's basically how easy it is. There is no official way to obviously give one-time payment to your friend, but yeah, this is the way that it is right now. And it's very easy. The only thing you have to stake is 100 Robux. That's the only thing. And it's just a one-time payment because then the group is already made. And yeah, from there on, you can make your transactions easily with any type of friends you want. You just need to add them in the group and create a big revenue. And that's it. That's how easy it is. So let me know down below if you have any problems or more questions. I'll answer you as soon as I can. If you want to see more Roblox related tutorials, please let me know as well. And if you want to see any different walkthroughs on Roblox issues and queries, let me know that as well. And I'll make those videos as soon as I can. Till then, like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps me out a lot. Please don't forget to share the video with any friend in need of this information. And yeah, leave a nice comment if you liked the video. Until then, I hope you all have a nice day. That's all from me. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.